Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world, and today we got a quick video to do. Now listen, for everybody who were understanding about the giveaway in the watch faces and the issues that I was having with redeeming watch face codes, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. It really made me feel good that you guys understood and you had my back. Thank you. All right, so what we're going to do is we're calling this video how to redeem watch face codes for the Galaxy Watch and the Gear S3 3.0, because we've already shot out 2 videos of this. This is an update to the update. Cool? All right, so now I was having issues with redeeming watch face code. For whatever reason, it kept saying watch face code invalid. Check to make sure that the watch face code is correct. I did that over and over and over again. Now, I did want to send you all these watch faces and they didn't work for you. Now, I think Janet may have been having the same problem that I'm having with it, or that I've had with it. And so this is going to clear up that issue just in case you're new, you get watch face codes and you think they don't work. This will be the fix and what you need to do in order to redeem watch face codes for the Galaxy Watch and the Gear S3. And with that, let's get started. Now, first off, make sure you find your Galaxy wearable app, right? It's going to look like this little icon over to the right. It's going to be orange and white. You tap on it, and once you tap on it, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You're going to see Galaxy app. Once you tap on Galaxy app, what you're going to do is you're going to put in the name of the watch face code that you received from me, right? Now, I already have one waiting. It's going to be beautiful moon phase. Now, I'm going to tap on the arrow here, go straight to download. Hit accept. Once you hit accept, it's going to take you to this page where you're going to be able to redeem the watch face code. It's going to populate. Once it does, up at the top where it says Samsung billing, you get the name of the watch face and the price. But if you look all the way down at the bottom, you get payment amount, right? Which is $1.70. Now, your method of payment, if you got Samsung Pay, you can use that. It's not going to take away from your Samsung Pay or your PayPal. You can also use your regular credit card. It's not going to take anything away from that at all, right? So what we need to do in order to add the watch face code is hit add. Up there where you see coupon, I copy and paste, right? So if I send it to you in your email, just copy and paste it, put it here. I'm gonna put paste, right? Then I'm gonna hit add. Once I hit add, normally the watch face code shows up right away. No problem. Now, if you look down at the bottom where it says payment amount, you still see $1.70. And when I go in and try to do this again, this is what's been happening. And this is the only way that I knew how to do this with the new update that came about, right? So when you hit it again, it's going to say the coupon code is invalid. Be sure the coupon code hasn't expired, and try again, right? I did that over and over and over again. So I reset my watch. I reset the watch, both watches, starting over from scratch. Still the same issue because I also undownloaded the app, re-downloaded it again, same issue, right? You see where it says points and coupons? It says check for discount, right? I tap there and here it is, waiting for me right at the top. Now, before how to redeem watch face code 1.1, we did it a different way. 2.0, it automatically showed up. This page right here automatically showed up. You didn't have to do anything. Now you have to go over and tap check for discounts. Hit OK. There you go. Down at the bottom where it says payment amount, it is 0. That's it. That's all. Glad that I got this resolved, people. We got videos after videos that we're bagged up on because we couldn't do anything with them. And we got freebies that's coming. That's coming and that's coming. So look out for them. We're going to shoot a video out for the coupon code that we're going to be giving away. We got to call out the winners, and we're going to have to do a part 1 and a part 2 because there's going to be a bunch of coupon codes that we have to give away to people who are winners. All right. So with that being said, people, thank you all for being patient with me. Thank you all for being a part of the channel and the family. I'm going to see you all at the next video. So take care.